Hello guys. So last year the world was hit by a pandemic and each of us were forced to lock ourselves in home in order to survive. But little did we know that there was another fierce opponent of mental health waiting for people who used to live alone or didn't have dogs with them. At first they might have enjoyed their time alone, but in the long run it turned out to be a nightmare for some of us. The rise in the cases of anxiety and depression were exponential during this pandemic. People didn't get to meet their friends and enjoy things like going out for a party or having a jam with their friends and all. So, according to some of the experts, these anxiety and depression can be cured by listening to music or going out with our friends. And it's also fun to jazz up something new and have a jam with your friends while you are at your home alone. Getting inspired from this, we created a platform where people can get together and compose their songs on a video call platform using gesture control, providing a completely new and mind blowing experience with Harmony.io.
The major implementation of our web app is that we provide a gesture control feature that helps us play instruments without having to have them physically. So I forgot my guitar at college, but now I can play it using simple AR features. This implementation is done in Python using OpenCV. So first we started by a simple demo of piano, and then we went on to drums. We also implemented a virtual background feature that uses image segmentation model to convert the background behind you into a virtual background of your choice. The front end is built on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the front end and back end are connected. We have also implemented the video streaming feature using Agora. Now this is our website. This is our front page. And as we go down, we are able to see composed songs, albums, and we also have a feature where we could combine Spotify API to our website, then to play songs and play the composed songs and everything. This is for a questionnaire. And now we go to the main implementation of the AR feature. So as we can see, we have 4 instruments. On on touching any of them through gesture, we are able to play them, and then the software composes all the different sounds in the music video conference and give a final music output. So this was our implementation. We initially faced challenges with how to implement all the instruments. So we tried to do only 2. Then we faced challenges with the image segmentation model and integrating the front end and the back end. The front end included a lot of web pages, and it was hard to implement the video conference. It was hard to implement the video conferencing as well as the taking data from that video frame by frame, which we needed to process the AR in OpenCV Python.
Now, if we talk about the future aspects of our project, right now our platform works for one-to-one call only. We plan to extend it to the group of people as well. We are planning to add more instruments like flute, saxophone, guitar, and violin as well. For the beginners, we will be providing courses through which they can learn these instruments and start their journey of a musician. So, with the help of this platform, we are providing each and every individual an option so that they can come on this and can spend a good time with their friends, thus solving the problem of mental illness, which has increased exponentially due to this pandemic year. So, this is Harmony.io, our project for Hoya Hacks 2021. Thank you.